parents, this is Suma for Peaches Preschool, and this video is only for parents for you all to facilitate your wards at home. Our children are learning about insects and bugs, so we planned an activity of it's called Beehive. So you all have been provided a template like this for kindergarten children, and for nursery children we've already cut the hexagons into single pieces. So for the first day our kindergarten children will cut them out, and once they are done cutting it, you can place all the hexagons like these. Also, you all have been provided with a bubble wrap like this. Kindly use whatever color your child wants to, and spread it onto the bubble wrap. You can use the chapati roller as a tool. Wrap the roller with the bubble wrap, and then we will go over these hexagons. Honeycomb or beehive is know that they are in the shape of hexagon, the small tiny pouches where the honey is collected. So you could explain to them. So we let it dry. Once these dry, what you could do is, we also have provided you with a black worksheet like this. I painted a tree, but you can certainly ask the child to look for leaves and marks and things like that, and then make them do a nice pretty collage, because beehives happen to be on trees or maybe on tall buildings. Since we don't want to do a building here, we have done a tree. It's totally up to you how you want to do it or how you want your ward to do it. You can also help your ward do the tree. So once that is done, we're going to put up the beehive on the tree. You could always ask your ward to place the templates however form they want to do it. So I've just placed it like that. I'm going to use the glue. And glue it onto the bark. That's a beehive. So beehives usually have different hexagon compartments for the bees to store their honey. Make sure it's an open-ended art, because a little bit direction we've already done with the tree part. If you don't want to do the tree, that's also fine. It's absolutely up to the child how the child wants to do. I'm not doing a pretty work here because I want to finish the video. I don't want a lengthy video. And once that is done, it's like a puzzle putting them together. We also have provided you all with bees. Kindly facilitate your wards to place the bees either on the hive or somewhere closer to the hive. Anything is fine. That's a queen bee. Queen bee is bigger bee. This is how it should look like. I hope you all will enjoy doing this activity. Thank you.